If you've ever wanted to make a curved line in Lucidchart, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Curved lines are great for making your diagrams look cleaner, more professional, and easier to follow, especially when you're connecting shapes in a way that needs a little visual flow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to draw a line, convert it into a curve, and then adjust it until it looks just right. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into Lucidchart. First, you want to draw your line. To do that, go to the toolbar and select the line tool. If you want a faster shortcut, just press L on your keyboard, then click and drag across your canvas to create the line you want. At this point, it will usually appear as a straight line, and that's completely normal. Don't worry, we're going to change that in the next step. Once your line is on the canvas, click directly on it to select it. When it's selected, you should see the endpoints and the blue node handles appear. These handles are important because they let you edit the shape and position of the line. If you don't see them, just make sure you've clicked the line itself and not the surrounding canvas. Now look at the formatting toolbar at the top of your Lucidchart workspace. This is where you'll find the line options icon. Click that icon to open the available line styles. Lucidchart gives you a few different ways to format lines, including straight, elbow, and curved. For this tutorial, we want the curved option, so open the drop-down and select curved. As soon as you choose curved, your line will change shape and start bending smoothly instead of staying perfectly straight. This is the key step that turns a basic connector into a more flexible curved line. It's especially useful for flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, and any diagram where you want to avoid clutter or overlapping connectors. After that, you can fine-tune the curve. Click and drag the blue dots or nodes along the line to adjust how deep the curve bends and which direction it flows. If the curve feels too sharp or too flat, just keep dragging until it matches the look you want. A small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished your diagram appears. If you want to create a more balanced layout, try moving the connected shapes a little farther apart before adjusting the curve. That can give the line more room to bend naturally. You can also use curved lines to guide the viewer's eye through a diagram in a cleaner way than a straight connector sometimes can. And that's really all there is to it. Draw the line, select it, open line options, choose curved, and then drag the blue nodes to customize the shape. Once you get used to it, making curved lines in Lucidchart becomes very quick and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.